In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to PayPal. Whether you're managing a business account or simply need extra hands for personal transactions, adding users can be incredibly helpful, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to PayPal's homepage. Once you're there, locate the login button, which should be prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you'll need to provide your specific access details. Now enter your registered email address and password. Make sure to double check your entries for any typos, since incorrect inputs will prevent you from successfully logging in. Remember, this is sensitive information, so handle it securely. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click on the login button to access your account's dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your profile. You should see an icon or thumbnail that represents your account in the upper right corner. Clicking this will produce a drop down menu where you'll find account settings. Clicking on account settings will direct you to a page with all sorts of configurable options related to your PayPal account. In the account settings, find the tab labelled Account Access on the left hand side of the screen. This is where you'll handle permissions and access rights for additional users. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page dedicated to managing user roles within your PayPal account. Once you're on the Account Access page, you'll see a section called Manage Users. Next to it, you'll notice an Update button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will present you with the option to add a new user. Here, you'll find a button labelled Add User. By clicking here, you'll open a new form where you'll need to fill in the new user's details. Key in their name, email address, and any other required fields. Make sure you're accurate with this information to prevent future issues. With all the details entered, it's time to continue. Click the Continue button, which allows you to review the information you've added. After reviewing, if everything looks good, press Done to finalize the process and successfully add a new user to your PayPal account. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add a user to your PayPal account. It's a simple yet crucial process when managing accounts that need the input or operation by multiple individuals. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide beneficial. If you have any questions, feel free to explore PayPal's help resources or drop a message below.